Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to put a star footnote at the bottom of the word page. So first you need to place your cursor where you want the footnote reference to be appear in your text, for example in the first paragraph. And then go to the reference and look for the footnotes group. Click on this small arrow. So in the footnote and endnote dialog box you need to find the customs mark field, and here it is. So you need to click on the symbol, and in the character code you need to type 2605 and your cursor will automatically move to the star symbol. And here are two types of star. One is the white star symbol and second is the black. So it's up to you which one you select it. I'll be happy with the black and click OK. And now click OK to insert. And now you can type your footnote, for example, author name, first name, last name, comma, and then the title of the book, for example, The Age of Revolutions. Select it and go to the home and make it italic, and then comma, and then remove the italic and put the publication place and city, for example New York, and Edwards Road, comma, for example third edition, comma, and the open the bracket, type the publication year, for example 2026, close the bracket, comma, and give the page reference where you took the information, for example 98. Now I hope you understand how you can put a star footnote at the bottom of the word page. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.